welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my September 2019, wow, I couldn't even remember what year it was. My September 2019 Pan Interrupted. This is our supernatural project pan that my bestie Amanda and I are doing. We are panning a product for every single episode of Supernatural, and yeah, it's gonna take a long time. When did we start this? In August of 2018, and we are only on season 2, which is it's a little crazy, but you know, that's what it is. I have an empty this time. I have an empty. I'm very excited about this, even though it's a tiny little empty. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. It's the anti-aging one. Just a little foil sample, but hey, an empty is an empty. I'm gonna take it. So I will be adding in a new product for a new episode in a minute, but that one is done. Yeah, and I am going to go through what is still in here. This one is taking forever, though I've been doing my hair a lot like curly more lately, so it probably is going to start picking up as time goes on. This is for no exit, where they find ectoplasm, which is a gelatinous goo, so it's gel. This is the PanteneClassic Total Control Gel, and you can see my lines right here. I was at this mauve line last time. I am at the gold line now, and hopefully as fall kind of rolls in here, unfortunately, I'm hoping that I will get more progress on that one. The next one is for the Croatoan, which Sam has a vision of Dean killing a man with a scar on his head, so I put in the Revitagen. This is a rejuvenating cream. It works on like stretch marks and scars and stuff like that, so that's why I have this one in. I was at this mauve line last time. I'm at the gold line now. I really need to use that more. I really do. It's very moisturizing, but it's an odd color. It's not quite like a self-tanner color, but it's kind of like that. I don't know how to explain it, but I need to start using that more because it needs to get done and get the heck out. All right, moving on to the next product. It is Born Under a Bad Sign, where Sam has a blackout, so I went with like that black color. And it doesn't really look that black right now because it's dirty, but this is the Beauty Blender cleaner soap with a dog hair stuck to it because, oh, it's stuck to my fingernail. Go figure. Yeah, you can tell I've been using it, and I did weigh it. It started at 17 grams. Last time was at 15 grams. It is now at 10 grams. So you know I'm using it because I used 5 grams of product since the last update, and clearly you can see that I am using it, and hopefully, I don't think it will be gone by the next update, but hopefully in the next couple of updates it will be gone. I've been getting a little bit better about cleaning my makeup sponges, so let's hope that reflects it in that soap. Next is Roadkill, and that is where there is a ghost on the highway that is seeking revenge. I went with the ghost, which is kind of like a white color. So I put in these toner pads right here. It's the Neutralyze exfoliating pads for acne-prone skin. I'll show you what it looks like inside. I'm definitely using these, and I do like them. They are a little harsh, but sometimes my skin needs that. And let's see, this started at 197 grams. It wasn't absolutely brand new when I started, but it was pretty daggone close. So 197 grams. Last time it was 180, and right now, this tells you how much I have been using it with the hot and humid ick that we've been having. 128 grams. So that dropped a lot. A lot. 52 grams it dropped since the last update. So I don't think it will be done by the next update, but hopefully the one after would be really nice. And the next episode is Heart. I took that literally, and I pulled this out of my Too Faced Chocolate BonBons palette because it's in the shape of a heart. Yes, I depotted since the last update, and I did put that on my Instagram, the before and after. And no, unfortunately, I did not film me depotting that one, but it was so easy. I put the whole palette on my warmer and like it popped out like it was nothing. So if you're into depotting your Too Faced Chocolate BonBons palette and you have a candle warmer, just leave it sit on there for like 15 to 20 minutes, a little bit longer if you want to. I wouldn't do more than 30 minutes, and literally just it popped out super easy. And here comes my puppy. Well, my old dog. Hey, Fuzzer. All right, so I expanded the pan ever so slightly, but I wasn't concentrating in the pan area. I was working over here a little bit. So it did get a little bit deeper of a dip in there around the pan. I'm hoping to have like significant pan by the next update. That is my goal for that one. And I get to put in a new product for a new episode this month, this update. And unfortunately, I'm only putting in one product because I did have some hard products in here, but that's okay. I'm totally okay with that. This is for Hollywood Babylon. I took the Hollywood portion of it where there's lots of celebrities and stars and stuff like that. So I went with the Starlooks Gem Pencil, and this is in Ultra Olive. And no, I am not going to do the whole thing. I want to get to this gold line right here. What I did was I took the cap off, I measured it from the tip, and then I made a line where the bottom of the cap was so that I had like a good measure for, you know, like a goal to set for that one. So that is everything. We are only doing 6 episodes at a time. So one out, a new one in to work on, and hopefully I will have something for you next month. I don't know. I still got hard products in here. Most of these, I don't know if I'll have anything next month. If anything happens, it's going to be the eyeshadow, but I'm not going to hold my breath on that one. Right now, I'm just going to set a goal to really expand that pan, but I think that is everything for this update. Amanda, of course, is going to be down in my description box, so go check her out. She is a little bit ahead of where I am, but, you know, this is so long. It's gonna, you know, some people are going to be ahead of other people, and, you know, that's just the way it is. It's not a competition, but go check her out. Again, she is going to be in the description box. Her gorgeous face will be at the end of my video, so you can just click right on her and go straight to her channel. Her update is already up. My filming schedule was a little crazy this month. I had some double ups, which I don't like to do, but so I had to push this back a few days. So hers is already live. Go check her out. Give her some love. Show her some supernatural kind of love. If you want to join in, feel free. As always, any project that I create, I am always open to letting anyone else join in because I like the company. And the community, this panning community, is always good company. All right, wrapping this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.